my friends, it is FPS Russia again, and today I've got something very special. This is the Bad News AR. It's an AR-15 chambered in .338 Lapua. This isn't that 5.56 or 7.62 silliness. This is a massive round. You're talking about accuracy up to 1500 meters, and it is absolutely deadly. It's a 250 grain bullet, more than double what you see coming out of, say, an M16 or a standard AR. And this 26-inch barrel and muzzle brake, not only do you have that accuracy, but it's very controllable. First thing we're going to do, let's take out the shit house. It smells like shit. Let's move on to something more fun. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the long-range capability of this rifle. I've got a 5-gallon jug of Kool-Aid set up over there at 1,000 meters. Keep in mind the effective range of this is well beyond that. It says 1,500 meters, but with this cartridge you can go much farther than that, so let's see what we can do. Ridiculously accurate. That's a perfect shot. I absolutely love this rifle, but I really want to blow something else up. Let's go do that. Okay, so one more thing. You guys seemed to like it last time when we blew up the car, so thought I'd do that again. And this rifle is called the Bad News. I think it's going to spell very bad news for our truck down there. I think I'm going to upload some of the aftermath to my Facebook. You can check that out down below, but I hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. That truck is fucked. And as always, have a nice day.